What's up, guys? In this tutorial, I will show you how to use and set up Google Classroom, an essential tool for teachers to create, distribute and grade assignments in a paperless way. To get started, you need to create your very first Google Class. Navigate to the official Google Classroom site linked in the video description and click on the plus sign in the upper right corner of the screen. Select Create Class and follow the prompts to set up a new class. Provide details like class name, subject and room number. The class name is mandatory. Other details are optional but can help clarify the class identity. With the classroom set up, it's time to invite students. Each class you create has a unique class code. Under your class name on the classroom dashboard, you'll find this code. Students can use this code to join the class by selecting Join Class after clicking the plus sign on their Google Classroom homepage. Alternatively, go to the People tab within your class and use the Invite Students button to add students via email. It's always a good idea to customize your Google Classroom appearance to match it with the classroom theme. Click on Customize to personalize the classroom appearance with the standard theme or upload a custom photo. Now, let's have a quick overview of the Classroom tabs. The first is the Stream tab. This is the main interaction area where you can post announcements and students can comment if enabled. In the Classwork tab, you create assignments, post materials, and even ask questions among many other things. You can also categorize assignments into topics for better organization. As for the People tab, you can view and manage all participants in the class here, including students and co-teachers. Lastly, the Marks tab is dedicated to grading and managing your students' performances. It acts like a gradebook where you can view and enter grades for submitted assignments. To post an assignment, click Create in the Classwork tab and choose from options like Assignment, Quiz Assignment, Question or Material depending on the content. Add titles, instructions and due dates and attach any necessary files from the computer or Google Drive. After fulfilling all the required details, you can now post it immediately, schedule it for later, or even save it as a draft. In case you need to change your class details, you can always click on the gear icon at the top right corner of your screen to delve into the relevant settings. Just like how you set up Google Class for the first time, here you can change all those settings again in a similar fashion. Google Classroom not only helps in reducing paper usage, but also supports effective teaching through streamlined communication, assignment distribution, and grading processes. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.